I'm an advocate of IAOCR because I think the framework that we're using to develop the competencies that we need to deliver our services, clinical trials, are essential for us to build the right environment in I&C to engage people, bring them into the organisation, move them through the organisation on development programs, letting them see the frameworks that we use are industry standard or industry leading, and that they lead to qualifications that they can use with us to develop themselves further in their careers and deliver the mastery and purpose that we look for in their careers for them. Absolutely, I would. I think they've really helped us over the last couple of years reorganise the way that we deliver training and that leads to competence. I think the way that they go about their business is very diligent, it's quite strict, which I think you need when you're setting up a standard for the levels of competence in the industry. Very collaborative though, very supportive, both allowing us to celebrate the things that we do well, but helping us improve in those areas that we had gaps or where we struggled a little bit. So IAOCR have really helped us to shape our thoughts around competence over the last 4 or 5 years. And I think they've really done that as well with some of the regulators. We're seeing a little bit of a change in the way that questions are asked at audit. How do we prove, how do we know that our staff are competent rather than how do we train? It's a subtle difference, but it means a lot to us, it means a lot to our customers, it means a lot to the people who have gone through the programme. I think you'll see these programs penetrate more organisations, which I think will encourage the use of competency assessments and the use of competency frameworks for us to do training as an industry. So although right now people are moving around, there's a lot of turnover, and I don't think that will change. I think what people will be able to buy from CROs, service companies, or deliver themselves is a more standardised level of quality, a less frustrating marketplace where competencies might be different across different regions or different countries. And I think as we expand clinical trials into more far-flung places, into emerging markets, so-called emerging markets, we can bring this framework quickly and we can shorten the period of time it takes to get people from low levels of experience up to a very competent level. And I think that's key for us as we globalise the clinical trials industry.